Hello everyone. I welcome you all in the Unreal Engine tutorial series. This is that how you can create a landscape or terrain. So as you can see in my in front of you, actually, this is my new running project. So as you can see, my landscape is actually, this is a third person template, and this is a floor just like this. This is a box floor actually. So this is not a terrain. This is a box, and I just applied a basic material, basic mud material in this. And this is my running project. This is a station building. So I need to create the level design. For level design, I need to have a terrain system, or I need to have a landscape system. Okay, so how can we do that? So this is the easiest way to do that. As you can see on the left side, this is the human part. So all the mannequins, all the human reference are here. So you can see here, all the humans are here. I can on and off here. So this folder is here, and the lighting folder, I just make all the components of the light is here. This is pre-built, so I just make kind of a folder and import in the folder. And this is the folder, this is the floor, I mean the box floor, as you can see here. And this is the my asset and the player and the player start. Okay, so this is the components. So now right now I have to make a landscape or a terrain system for the level design. Okay, so I am by asset I am ready, and I am now going to begin a level design process. For that I need a landscape system. So how can we do that? So before we going to do that, just go to the map. This is my system to doing that. Actually, create a level called the station building level design, something like that. Okay, so our new level or new map has been generated. So this is the map, and this is the level design map. Okay, sorry, level design map. Okay, yeah. So this is our current scene, and if we click on that, we see a completely blank project, completely dark, and this one is only the top part, that this is the station building level design map project. So no item is there, and this is completely black. So how can we bring all the things? We can do it. Yes, we can make the environment lighting from here and all that. But the shortcut way is, how I do it is like, you have to go there and you just expand this one, and you need to bring all the lighting information, copy, go there and paste. You see, your environment is done. I mean, your environment except the landscape is done. You just copy it from that level to this level, and then the only thing is need to do is to create a landscape. So for that one, you need to go to the selection mode. This is the selection mode. So you go to the landscape mode. Okay, as soon as you click on landscape mode, you have this one. So as you can see, this is the landscape. This is the landscape. So actually, this slot is the material slot, and as you can see here, this is the landscape option. As you can see, I zoom out. So as you can see, it's a square plane like Unity landscape. So this is a train system. So in Unreal, it's landscape. It's in Unity, it's train. So like this one is the material slot. You need to put uh, uh, basic material in it, basic train material in it. So let's find a material. Okay. So I have the starter content here, starter content, yeah, starter content, and I have the textures and materials. Where is the materials? Yeah, there is the materials, and I need to put this material to this slot. So this is the basic slot. I need to drag it and just leave it here, and then all I need to do is just create. Okay, just create the section. So as soon as I create this one, and this is done. As you can see here. Okay, sometimes you can see a red error there, that the landscape system, the material system needs to be rebuilt or something here. So all you need to do is go to the build section and go to the build all the level. Just click on that, build the level. But if that red error is still exist here, and fortunately I don't have it right now. So all you need to do is, don't panic. All you need to do is to go to the play mode. Press on play mode. You don't get rid of it by building this one, by building the level lighting. You don't get rid of it. Only way to go to the play mode. So you go to the play mode, and then you just play. Okay, you just play with your character, and you just escape that one, and that will remove your that error function. But before that, you have to build your light. You have to build your light, like build all. Okay, it's building. Okay, so yeah, it's building. Give it some time to build the landscape lighting and detail. Yes, clear. Okay, done. And again, you have to create one. Okay, so you need to delete one, and you need to put this one is the landscape. Okay, done. So as you can see, here is the unsaved. You just need to save these changes, and you are good to go. You are good to go. You can now you can what you can do is go to the selection mode, and you can bring up your assets, like drag and drop your assets like this one. Okay, bring up your assets like this one. Okay, so guys, this is the convenient way, and this is the very shortcut way to create a landscape. And if you have the good materials of landscape, then you can start from from that material. So someone use master material, so I just use for this tutorial I just use the basic material from the content drawer. So it's like it's not bad actually. You can see here the bumpness and muddy, all the things. So yeah, this could be a good ground material for the level design starts. Okay, as you can see. So I bring two of my assets there. So guys, thank you for this for being with me, and you just keep support me and keep supporting my channel, and I will come again with the new tips and tool to share with you. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact with me, and you just need to contact with me. Don't hesitate to contact. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay, bye.